Hey there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a platform that won't level. Here are the tools you're going to need: a 9/16 box end wrench and your 5/32 hex key. If your Elliott model has a platform that won't level out, the steps in this video are going to help you make any necessary adjustments. Before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also ought to make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. Finally, feel free to pause this video at any time to make sure that you're doing each step safely and correctly. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up the unit in an area where the leveling system can be fully tested, making sure you have adequate room for side-to-side and overhead movement. Next, operate the unit by raising and lowering the boom while observing if the basket leveling is keeping up with the boom movements or lagging when booming up and down. Depending on what you see, take these steps in order to make sure the platform levels properly. If the platform cylinders will not retract manually, turn the extend relief cartridge on the master cylinder counterclockwise in quarter increments until you are able to level the platform manually. Do not turn this valve down too far, or it may cause the platform to lag the boom during automatic leveling when booming down. If the platform cylinders will not extend manually, turn the retract relief cartridge on the master cylinder counterclockwise in quarter increments until you can level the platform. Do not turn this valve down too far, or it may cause the platform to lag the boom during automatic leveling when booming down. If the platform lags when booming up, turn the extend relief cartridge on the master cylinder clockwise in quarter increments until the platform keeps up with the boom. Do not turn this valve up too far, or you will not be able to level the platform manually. If the platform lags when booming down, turn the retract relief cartridge on the master cylinder clockwise in quarter increments until the platform keeps up with the boom. Do not turn this valve up too far, or you'll not be able to level the platform manually. Never attempt to adjust the counterbalance valves on the slave cylinders. Finally, once the proper adjustments have been made, cycle the leveling system full tilt forward and full tilt backward several times. Place the platform in a leveling state with the boom, and then test the leveling system by booming up and down several times while observing if the platform leveling is keeping up. Now that your platform is leveling correctly when booming up and down, you ought to be good to go. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829, and make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.